Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. This is episode 54 and for this episode, our topic is about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. And this will be the part 2 of this topic. In the previous episode, we already learned how to add and subtract rational numbers. This episode, I will show how to do mixed calculations of rational numbers involving these two operations, addition and subtraction. First, let us find out how to do mixed calculations and how to add and subtract numbers with omitted signs. Lastly, we will take a look at the three types of problems as an application on how to add and subtract rational numbers. This is the first part of this episode and I will be showing how to do mixed calculation of addition and subtraction. Mixed calculation means in one equation, there are two or more operations. So how to do mixed calculation of addition and subtraction? We need to follow this rule. Change subtraction to addition and calculate using addition calculation rule. Example, negative 3 minus negative 5 plus positive 2. The operations are subtraction and addition. According to this rule, we need to change subtraction to addition. So minus sign becomes plus sign. When subtraction change to addition, the subtrahend or negative 5 will also change its direction or sign. So from negative 5, it becomes positive 5. Let's rewrite negative 3, plus positive 5 plus positive 2. This time, the operation is only addition. So let's calculate using addition calculation rule. We can actually interchange the numbers. I want to add first positive 5 and positive 2 because both numbers are positive. So this is equal to positive 7. So we have here negative 3 plus positive 7. So negative number plus a positive number. Copy the sign of the larger number. It's positive and then get the difference. 7 minus 3, 4. So the final answer is positive 4. Let's move on. This time, addition and subtraction of numbers with omitted sign. What do I mean when I say omitted sign? Example, positive 5 is equal to 5. What does it mean by that? Even if I remove the positive sign, this one is still equal to 5. But if I remove the negative sign, this is not equal to 5. So when I say omitted sign, I mean positive number. So what's the rule in adding and subtracting numbers with omitted sign? We need to calculate after inserting the omitted positive sign and parenthesis. Example, negative 5 plus 1 minus 2. This is an addition sign. This is subtraction sign. So according to this rule, we need to calculate this after inserting the omitted positive sign and parenthesis. Let's do that. Negative 5 inside the parenthesis. Plus 1 is positive 1. Minus 2 is positive 2. Look at this one. The operations are addition and subtraction. So the subtraction sign here becomes addition sign. So when subtraction becomes addition, the subtrahend or positive 2 will also change its direction or sign. So from positive 2, it becomes negative 2. Okay, let's rewrite negative 5 plus positive 1 plus negative 2. This time, we only have one operation, and it's addition. So we can actually interchange the numbers. I want to add negative 5 and negative 2 first because both numbers are negative. So this is equal to negative 7. So negative 7 plus positive 1. Okay, copy the sign of the larger number, negative, and then get the difference, 7 minus 1, 6. So the final answer is negative 6. Tip in adding and subtracting numbers with omitted sign. Okay, let's get the same example. Negative 5 plus 1 minus 2. We need to group the numbers. So negative 5 is one group, or the first group. Okay, the plus sign here goes with 1. So this is another group. So it's like positive 1. The minus sign goes with 2. So this is another group. So it's like negative 2. So negative 5, positive 1, and negative 2. And then insert plus sign between the numbers. Okay, let's rewrite. Negative 5 plus positive 1 plus negative 2. So if you are going to take a look at this one, this is the same with this. Okay, negative 5 plus negative 2, this is negative 7 plus positive 1. So this is equal to negative 6. So we got the same answer. Okay, this time, let's answer the following problems. The first problem is, let's calculate the following. We have positive 2.3 minus negative 3.7 minus positive 5.7 plus negative 8.3. Look at the operations. Subtraction, subtraction, and addition. Okay, subtraction sign becomes plus sign. The subtrahend, negative 3.7, will change its direction or sign. So from negative 3.7, it becomes positive 3.7. Positive 5.7 becomes negative 5.7. Okay, let's rewrite. So positive 2.3 plus positive 3.7 plus negative 5.7 plus negative 8.3. Using addition rule, let's find the correct answer for this. Okay, look at this one. Positive 2.3 and then positive 3.7. So let's add this first together. So this is equal to 6. Okay, both numbers are positive. So it's positive 6 or 6. Okay, now plus, okay, negative 5.7 and then we have here negative 8.3. So both numbers are negative. So we just need to add. So we have 5 plus 8 is 14, 0.7 plus 0.3 is 1. So this is 13 plus 1. So this is 14. So this is negative 14. So these two numbers is equal to negative 14. So we have positive 6 plus negative 14. Copy the sign of the larger number, negative, and then get the difference, 8. So the final answer is negative 8. The next problem, let's answer this one. Let's calculate the following. We have here negative 1 over 3 minus 5 over 2 minus 5 over 3 plus 13 over 2. Operations are subtraction, subtraction, and addition. So subtraction becomes addition. This one becomes addition. Okay, so this is negative 1 over 3 plus, okay, the positive 5 over 2 becomes negative 5 over 2. Okay, positive 5 over 3 becomes negative 5 over 3. And this is plus 13 over 2. Okay, if you are going to take a look at the fractions, okay, negative 1 over 3 and negative 5 over 3, they have the same denominators. So we can add these two fractions. So negative 1 over 3 plus negative 5 over 3. Okay, this is negative 6 over 3. Okay, and then we have here negative 5 over 2 plus this 13 or positive 13 over 2. So the denominators are the same, so we can add these two fractions. So this one is positive, this one is negative. Follow the sign of the larger fraction or number, positive. So get the difference, 13 minus 5, it's 8. So this is 8 over 2 or positive 8 over 2. Okay, let's add. The new denominators are different, so we need to make the denominators the same. So times 2, times 2. This is times 3, times 3. Okay, so this is negative 12 over 6. Okay, plus, this is positive 24 over 6. So negative and a positive number. The higher number sign is positive, so our answer must be positive. So positive, and then get the difference. 24 minus 12, it's 12. So 12 over 6, or this is equal to 6 or positive 6. This is the second part of this episode, and I will be focusing on the application of addition and subtraction of rational numbers. In here, I will give three types of worded problems that usually appear in exams or tests. Let's have the first one. A number that is blank greater than blank, or a number that is blank smaller than blank. The word greater means addition, and the word smaller means subtraction. For you to understand this kind of problem, let's give an example. Okay, the first example is a number that is 4 greater than negative 5. We have the word greater, which means we need to add. So negative 5 plus 4. For us not to be confused, let's insert the omitted parenthesis and sign. So this is negative 5. Let's put it inside the parenthesis. Plus 4. This is positive 4. And let's put it inside the parenthesis also. So negative number plus a positive number. Follow the sign of the larger number. So it's negative, and then get the difference. 5 minus 4, 1. So the answer is negative 1. Okay, how about the second example? A number that is 5 smaller than negative 3. The word smaller means we need to subtract. So negative 3 minus 5. Let's put inside the parentheses and let's insert the omitted sign. So negative 3 minus positive 5. The operation is subtraction. The rule is subtraction becomes addition, and the subtrahend positive 5 becomes negative 5. So negative 3 plus negative 5, just add, so it's 8, and then copy the negative sign. So the answer is negative 8. Okay, this time, let's answer this simple problem. The number that is 2 over 3 greater than negative 5 is A, and the number that is 4 over 3 smaller than negative 5 over 2 is B. What is the value of A plus B? So we need to find for the value of A and B. Okay, according to this problem, the number that is 2 over 3 greater than negative 5 is A. We have the word greater, which means we need to add. So negative 5 plus this fraction 2 over 3. Okay, let's put parenthesis and the omitted sign so we will not be confused. So negative 5 inside the parenthesis plus positive 2 over 3 inside the parenthesis. Okay, how about B? Okay, the number that is 4 over 3 smaller than negative 5 over 2 is B. The word smaller means we need to subtract. So we have negative 5 over 2, okay, minus 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3 is positive. So positive 4 over 3. The operation is subtraction. The rule is subtraction becomes addition. Positive 4 over 3 becomes negative 4 over 3. So negative 5 over 2 plus negative 4 over 3. So we will look for the value of A plus B. Okay, let's calculate the value of A. So negative 5 plus positive 2 over 3. Make the denominators the same so we can add these two fractions. So 5 over 1. So 1 times 3. This is times 3. Okay, let's rewrite here. So this is negative 15 over 3. Okay, plus positive 2 over 3. Bigger number is 15 over 3. The sign is negative, so our answer must be negative. Get the difference, 15 over 3. Okay, minus 2 over 3. This is 13 over 3. So the value of A is negative 13 over 3. How about B? Negative 5 over 2 plus negative 4 over 3. Make the denominators the same so we can add these two fractions. So 2 times 3, 5 times 3, this is times 2. Okay, so this is negative 15 over 6. Okay, plus negative 8 over 6. Okay, both negative numbers. We just need to add and then copy the negative sign. So 15 over 6 plus 8 over 6, this is 23 over 6. So the value of B is negative 23 over 6. So A plus B, we have here negative 13 over 6. Okay, 13 over 3, it's not 6. So 13 over 3 plus, okay, we have negative 23 over 6 for B. Okay, make the denominators the same. So 3 times 2, 13 times 2. Okay, so this is negative 26 over 6. Okay, plus, we have here negative, okay, 23 over 6. Okay, both same denominators now. And then both numbers are negative, so we just need to add 26 over 6 plus 23 over 6. This is 49 over 6. And then copy the negative sign. So answer is negative 49 over 6. Okay, let's move on. We are now in the second type of problem. And this is about this one. Okay, suppose to add A to a certain number but mistakenly subtracted it, resulting in B. Supposed to add but mistakenly subtracted. So we have here this certain number, okay, minus A is equal to B. Okay, to find this certain number, we need to add A to B. So certain number is equal to B plus A. And to find the correct answer, okay, this certain number plus A. Okay, let's give an example for you to understand this kind of problem. I mistakenly subtracted 3 over 2 from a certain rational number instead of adding it, and it became 1 over 3. What is the correct result? Okay, let's try to analyze this problem. Mistakenly subtracted, okay, 3 over 2 from a certain number. So from this certain number, minus 3 over 2. Okay, and it became 1 over 3. So certain number minus 3 over 2 is equal to 1 over 3. To find this certain number, we need to add 3 over 2 to 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 plus 3 over 2. Okay, make the denominators the same so we can continue adding these two fractions. Okay, so this is times 3, this is times 3. Okay, let's rewrite. So this is 2 over 6. Okay, plus this one is 9 over 6. So 2 over 6 plus 9 over 6, this is equal to 11 over 6. So this is this certain number. And to find the correct result, this certain number, 11 over 6, okay, plus 3 over 2. So 11 over 6 plus 3 over 2. Okay, make the denominators the same. So this is times 3 times 3. Okay, we have 11 over 6 plus, this is 9 over 6. Okay, we have here 11 over 6 plus 9 over 6. So this is equal to 20 over 6. So the correct result is 20 over 6. You can simplify this one by converting this to a mixed fraction. Okay, this time let's move on to the third type of problem. And this is about addition and subtraction of two numbers given their absolute value. The absolute value of two different numbers that are equal to two numbers with opposite signs. Okay, example. Absolute value of positive 5 is 5. And absolute value of negative 5 is 5. The two different numbers here refers to positive and negative number. Okay, we are going to calculate all possible cases in addition and subtraction. Let's give an example. When the absolute value of A is 5 and the absolute value of B is 8, which of the following cannot be the value of A plus B? Okay, absolute value of A is 5. Okay, absolute value of B is 8. It means these numbers are positive 5 and negative 5. And these numbers are positive 8 and negative 8. Because absolute value of positive 5 is 5. Negative 5 is 5. Absolute value of positive 8 is 8. Absolute value of negative 8 is 8. So we are going to which of the following cannot be the value of A plus B? Okay, so we have here, okay, positive 5, okay, plus positive 8. Okay, this is equal to positive 13. Okay, next. Positive 5 plus negative 8. This is equal to negative 3. Okay, how about here? Negative 5 plus positive 8. This is equal to positive 3. And negative 5, okay, plus negative 8. This is equal to negative 13. So, which of the following cannot be the value of A plus B? Okay, the answer here is letter B, negative 9.